السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respective audience, today I am going to introduce about a great person, agriculture scientist, agriculturist, Ibn Awwam. His full name was Abu Zakaria Yahya bin Muhammad bin Ahmad bin Awwam al-Ishbili. He lived in a famous city, Ishbili, in the ancient Spain, 800 years ago. He was prominent botanist, zoologist, and agriculturist. He was celebrated as one of most important agronomists. He became famous for his master work, Kitab al-Filaha, the book of agriculture. It was an encyclopedic work in agriculture science. Ibn Awwam, he divided that book, which he wrote 1,000 years ago in agriculture science, Kitabul Filaha. He divided it into 35 chapters spanning two major parts. This book covers 585 different plants and details of the specialized cultivation techniques for 50 types of fruit trees. The book provides deep insight into various soil compositions, identifying which types suit for specific crops. Advanced agronomy techniques. Ibn Awwam detailed revolutionary methods for grafting trees, irrigation and hydraulic engineering. He outlined complex irrigation engineering practices. The mentioned above book, Kitabul Filaha, this lists symptoms for various trees and diseases, along organic methods to cure them, and ward off pests without harsh chemicals. Second half of his work expands heavily into livestock breeding, horses, cattle, sheep, and goats, poultry management, beekeeping, apiculture, and an extensive section dedicated to veterinary medicine for treating sick animals. The book Kitabu al-Filaha was translated into Spanish language in 1802 and into French language in 1864. Actually, this book he has written in Arabic language. Another one great scientist in the agriculture science who lived here 1,000 years ago, Ibn Wahshiyya. He wrote a book, Kitabul Filaha an-Nabatiyya. Another one great scientist, Raliyuddin al-Ghazi. He also wrote a book. Its name is Jami' Fara'id al-Malaha fi Jawami' Fawaid al-Falaha. Jami' Fara'id al-Malaha fi Jawami' Fawaid al-Filaha. Like this, many ancient scientists, they wrote books as regards this subject. But now we forgot all of them. We are not ready to study about them, their biography. It is why if we remember them and study about them, we also will be ready to study such sciences. Such sciences are inevitable for us. Without the agriculture sciences, without the cultivation, without the crops, we cannot live here properly. It is why I am advising those people, they urge to acquire, earn knowledge. You have to try in such sciences. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. May Allah bless us by His endless bliss. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.